Of course, when we talk about developing a keyword strategy, the fundamental thing we need to remember is that all of this is dependent upon the search engines. The search engines are what provide the means to reach searchers. And so ultimately, we are at the mercy of the search engine in developing any type of keyword strategy. The only thing you can do is affect the search engines, and hopefully in a way that's favorable for you. Critical to this is understanding how search engines work. And what it comes down to is that search engines need to access the information on your website in order to measure you properly to assess relevance. Now, a fundamental part of how a search engine works is that it relies on a software program to visit your website and download the content that's there. The software program we usually refer to as a bot or a spider or a crawler. There's a couple different words that we use there. Ultimately, it's the same thing because what a search engine does is they find your website through a link on another website. They'll find a page through that link. They'll download that page and find links to other pages on your website. And then they'll request the rest of the pages that they find, and they'll download them to the search engine's server. This comes as a surprise to a lot of people, but ultimately what the search engines are doing is that they are finding all of the pages on your website, downloading them to a server, and then when you do a search for anything on a search engine, you're not searching the live internet. What you are searching is the database of the search engine with the ranking algorithm applied, and then what you will receive are the results based on all of the copies of websites that are contained in the database of the search engine. So our first issue in developing keywords is understanding that our architecture is a critical component, how well our website is built. Because if our website is built poorly, the search engines will not be able to access all of the pages on the website. We can do many things that can block them, but we want to make sure that the architecture is open and that search engines can get through, see the links that go from page to page and also to other websites, and then when downloading the pages, see the words in the code and content so that they can look and see what this website is about, what this page is about, and how it stacks up compared to other websites. The search engines will then deliver information based on how you search. The combinations of words used in the search box can also let the search engine determine what type of information you are looking for and then return results immediately based on that. In Google, if we start typing San Diego Golf Resorts, you'll see the results change as the words are being typed in. You can see automatically we're just at San Diego Golf, and already we have a map and results showing up. But we can see resorts showing up in the suggested terms. Once we click on that, we have a film strip presentation of the different resorts that are available. We have a map. We have organic results and ads. And as we tab down, we continue to see more organic results and ads specifically for San Diego Golf Resorts. Now, if we change our search, and let's broaden it out to another vacation term from our website. So if we're looking for California Hot Springs Resorts, we have a map of locations. So instead of seeing organic results, we're seeing directory listings. We can see the name of the resort, the URL of the website, any reviews that are available, as well as an address and phone number to connect directly with them. If you are on your mobile device, you could click and call with the phone number right from your mobile. Then when we get into the organic results, we can see more information as well as reviews about each of the resorts. But let's go even more specific. Beyond California Hot Springs Resorts, let's look at a specific location. But once we add a specific location of San Luis Obispo, then we see a specific location on the right-hand panel. We see the directions, the reviews, the phone number, and on the left side, we can see that the number one result is the one that's featured on the right-hand side. We can also have immediate access into the photos. Granted, there are other properties listed here, and we can see reviews from TripAdvisor, from Yelp, and so because we're looking for a specific place, now the reviews are going to be more heavily favored in the results. Other search engines do this as well. Let's go to Bing and look for a California landmark. So when we search for Pacific Coast Highway, as you can see on the left-hand side, we have our organic results, and because we're looking for information about a specific landmark, we're going to see Wikipedia come up very highly. Also, we've got Road Trip from National Geographic, and on the right-hand side of the results, a map, images, and related searches. And so from here, we can find related searches of pictures, hotels, map, driving directions, and reviews. And on the left side, we can get immediate news about events that may have happened that will affect our search or just plain looking for news about that destination. And so search engines, as their first responsibility, are there to help the searcher find the information that they want. And we can see this at the bottom of the search engine results page, the suggestions that they use to help searchers focus more tightly on the information that is important to them. The search engine's first focus is the searcher, and you can only affect those results, but we're going to learn how you can do that and target the right searcher.